The nursing program was a really good fit for me. They have a lot more hands-on experiences than a lot of places around the area, really anywhere that I looked for colleges, and that hands-on experience really is what put them over the top for me. We have a really nice sim lab here. We do our simulation experiences a lot more than other schools do. So we really have a lot of extra experience where you can practice all of these really highly demanding, dangerous skills, and everything that we have here is what we actually use in practice and be able to translate those to actual patient care experiences and feel more comfortable doing so. UNH has done so much to kind of help me open up and experience so many things that I hadn't experienced before. I went to Africa, and that was a huge, outside of my comfort zone, going to this place where I didn't know anybody, didn't speak the language. I'm always willing to try everything now, jump into anything I can. So after graduation, I'll be working at Exeter Hospital in their family center, which is a pediatric labor and delivery and postpartum unit. With nursing on top of all the experiences I've had through UNH, this really has given me a lot of background, not in just what I'm going into for my field, but with leadership, preparation, organization, people skills especially. So UNH has really prepared me in more ways than one.